best of Bubbu School 5. All the characters are HICCUP. Oh, I don't wanna feel too good. Oh my god, I'm gonna hiccup now! What is going on here? Yo, you need to stop hiccuping. You need to shut the work up. You need to get the work. Jesus Christ, stop hiccuping. What's going on? What you guys doing? Can you be quiet? I'm trying to sleep. There we go. What is going on here? What is going on here? You need to stop hiccuping. Stop hiccuping, guys.